Eh? Yo guys, what's up? How you doing? So I'm back from the gym. I've dressed up, I've eaten, and right now I want to get straight into work. Luckily, there is light, so I have a lot of work to do today. Yeah, and if you guys don't know, I do 3D art. So that's a skill I'm learning. I've been learning for a while now, for some months. Like to model characters, and I use Blender. So I want to get right into it, and also have some of my IT stuff I want to do, my cybersecurity, the course I'm taking. And yeah, I'm not going to my location today, but I have a lot of things to do. So yeah, you guys come along with me, spend some time with me doing some work, and yeah. Yo guys, so I thought I should show you some of my work. There was this character I finished last week. I said let me show you guys. I've been learning 3D art now for over a year. This is like my second year, right? And it has not been an easy journey, but I just fell in love with characters and decided to go on to learn how it works, how they make 3D characters, and how animation. Later on I'm going to learn animation, but for now I decided to focus on the character modeling and creation part. So guys, this is Jessica. The character I finished last 2 weeks before. This is not the finished character though. Let me open the finished character. Alright guys, so this is Jessica, my last completed project. These are wireframe view. Maybe you guys can see how well. And this is the way she looks. And let me show you a final render. Yeah guys, this is the final render. Yeah, and some other looks, some other angles for the render. But yeah, so right now I'm working on this guy. I'm naming him Ken with the help of my my mom. So yeah, I've worked on some other characters in the past, but these are some of my recent characters. Yeah, I thought I'd show you guys what I'm doing. So guys, this is Ken. This guy I'm working on currently. I'm not done yet. I'm almost done with him though, but I'm not done yet. Should be done in next few days. Yeah, this is like the wireframe mode to see all the details. Yeah, this guy is looking now. I'll be done with him very soon. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little tour or view checking of my projects. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. I'll see you guys soon.
Just like the Rhapsody, like words for the days and everything. So on Thursday, if I'm not mistaken, so I put it my one Zambia and almost done an accident.
Chilo, I did do video. Don't turn me to video man. I'm waiting in color. Content creator.
Hi guys, what's up? Happy Sunday, and I'm just come back from church. Just come back from church service. I got plantain to eat. I want to eat plantain. I'm hungry, but I hope you guys are good. Happy New Month and December. This is December 4th, the first Sunday in December, and already at the end of the year. The year is already coming to an end. Wow, amazing. So we have just few weeks to the end of the year. Tomorrow is Monday. Tomorrow is a new week, so I have a lot of work. Tomorrow I'm going to my IT location, and I want to do some other works. Today I'm not using anything much late today. I'll just eat and just rest for today. Tomorrow we'll continue. Um, just a little thought I was thinking about, guys. If there was something you wanted to do, maybe you wanted to start up something, you wanted to learn a skill that I said you would do before the end of the year, and you feel like it's too late, I think you can still do it. I think there's still time. We still have 4 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks to the end of the year. A lot can still happen within the next few days. A lot can still happen. So you are thinking about it, just start. You want to maybe start a business or you wanted to do something before the end of the year, you can still do it. Trust me, you can still do it. Don't think the year is ended. There is still time, right? So between now and the end of the year, I have some things I want to do. I want to complete 2 characters and also complete some tasks. So it seems like the year is over, but I can still do a lot here. So with that said, I'll see you guys later.
More than fuck. Can you go?
Come on.
Get in your back.
Come
Good.
those legs.
Good. Go down where?
Leg is sweet.
Go down where?
When they judge, they say four.
Go down where?
Yeah.
8. Good.
Even though it's not good,
Alright.
but you shall fuck.
10. Now so much squats you do. So go down where? I have you on camera. Oh. I'll share it to my TikTok. Oh.
But yeah, do
And my
well.
fans will say, you does not get the form.
Then your fans can't do how.
Oh my God, if you pass it.
I'll be your fan and fan.
Na fanatics.
You be ox.
Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Come on, fresh. Come on, come on. Go.
Yo guys, what's up? So yeah, I'm back from IT, and this year is already coming to an end. Wow. Christmas is coming soon. That's like one of my favorite times of the year. I will get to go home, travel, see my family, and it's usually a fun thing to look forward to. So yeah, guess that is for this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'm thinking of cutting my hair because my hair is rough. So if I cut my hair before I edit this video, then I'll put it in. Or if not, then that's the end of this vlog, guys. See you guys soon. Peace.